Have you ever wondered, what is the secret behind the spinning wheel of fortune, the roulette? How do those small balls decide the fate of your bets? Today, we'll dive deep into the world of roulette, uncovering the payout system and discussing some of the most popular strategies. First, let's demystify the roulette table. It might seem like a complex labyrinth of numbers and colors, but it's quite simple once you understand it. The main thing to note is that each bet on the roulette table has its own payout. It all depends on the odds of your bet being successful. The simplest bet you can make is on a single number, known as a straight bet. If the ball lands on your chosen number, you win. The payout for this is 35 to 1. This means if you stake one chip, you will receive 36 back, your original bet plus 35. Next up, we have the split bet. This is when you place your chip on the line between two numbers. If either of these numbers comes up, you win with a payout of 17 to 1. Then there's the street bet. This involves betting on three numbers in a row. If any of these numbers come up, the payout is 11 to 1. The corner bet, or square bet, involves placing your chip at the intersection of four numbers. If any of these four numbers comes up, you win 8 to 1. We also have the line bet, which involves betting on two rows of numbers. The payout for this type of bet is 5 to 1. Finally, there are the outside bets. These are bets placed on larger groupings of numbers such as red or black, odd or even high or low, dozens or columns. The payouts for these bets range from 1 to 1 to 2 to 1. Now, on to the strategies. The martingale strategy is perhaps the most well-known. It involves doubling your bet after every loss so that the first win would recover all previous losses plus win a profit equal to the original stake. The D'Alembert strategy, on the other hand, involves increasing or decreasing the bet by 1 unit after a loss or a win, respectively. There's also the Fibonacci strategy, which involves betting by numbers in the Fibonacci sequence after a loss. And finally, the James Bond strategy, which involves spreading your bet across the table in a specific way. In summary, the roulette table might seem daunting at first, but once you understand the payouts and strategies, it becomes a game of skill and strategy rather than just a game of luck. Whether you're using the Martingale, D'Alembert, Fibonacci, or James Bond strategy, the key is to understand that each bet has its own payout, and these payouts are crucial in deciding your betting strategy. Remember, the world of roulette is not just about the spin of the wheel, but also about the strategy behind each bet. So, the next time you approach a roulette table, remember these points and may the odds be ever in your favor.